Hey guys, it's John, ReelBlue Custom Rods, and welcome back to another edition on the truth about Hitena Metallic Versa Thread. And today's colors you can see back here in the back. I know it's hard to see, but it is called the navy color. And if you're interested after watching this video in purchasing this particular color or any of the other Hitena Metallic Versa Thread options that you can get them in, you can do so down in a link down in the description below where it'll take you guys to purchase those. And that's a great way to support the channel, so I appreciate you and appreciate your support in advance. So let's go ahead and get started. So again, this is the Hitena Metallic Versa Thread. This is the navy. To me, it looks a little darker than navy. It almost looks black, but it is not black because there is a black option in the when you buy the color. So this is just going to be interesting. As you look at this thread under the light, you can actually see the blue color in there. So it is navy, but when it's on the spool, I'm telling you, it looks almost black. But let's go ahead and get this started. Get a bite on the thread here. And then what we'll do is get this going, get my burnishing tool, pack the thread a little bit. All right, there we go. And tighten up my tension rod. All right, razor blade, cut the working end here. And again, you can see it's got that blue color in there. That is definitely blue. So I can see why it's saying navy, but I'm telling you on the spool it looks black. So now that we've got this started here, we're going to go ahead and start wrapping. And we'll see how this is going to look here momentarily. Again, if this is your first time seeing these Hitena Truth About Versa threads or Metallic Versa thread, it is a good, easy way to give yourself, a tiger wrap look, if that's something that you're going for, versus trying to do it yourself, with 3 colors and a lot of epoxy finish to go on top of it. So this is a way to do that. Or achieve that look, if you will. And you can kind of see the patterns that you get in here. So for me right now, like here, it's pretty tight, and then it opens up a little bit right here. And then it's getting tighter again as I go in. Like then when I turn the rod right here, it's really tight. And then I'll open back up. But that's how you get that tiger stripe or tiger pattern look, if you will. So we'll keep turning this. Again, if something you're interested in purchasing, there's a link down in the description below to take you to purchase that thread. Again, it's a great way to support the channel. And if that's something that you're interested in, I thank you in advance for doing so. I truly appreciate it. So keep wrapping here, probably just over an inch. I'm going to go to about 2 inches, and then we'll take a look at some thread options. Yeah, I like this one. I think this will look pretty good as an under wrap. And quite honestly, with a lot of different colors. We're just about almost 1.5 inches. All right, so we're getting down towards the end here. Down down towards the end of where I think I want to be at. All right, so I think what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and tie this one off. And we'll just do some different things with some thread here. All right. All right, so we'll put that back up. All right, and run that through. Okay, so here is that Navy Hitena Metallic Versa thread. And of course, colors that we think would go with it. 455 Pro Wrap Nylon Blue. Of course, I think that's going to go with it. Same colors, if you will. But again, I think that will look really good with it. What if we did something like Color Fast Pro Wrap 325 in a red? That, of course, would look really good. Keep it simple. We do 862 Pro Wrap Nylon, which is just a black. That would look fine. What if we did Pro Wrap Nylon 404, kind of a lighter blue? That would look good. Pro Wrap, now of course it'll darken up a little bit, but Pro Wrap 543, which is green. That, of course, will look pretty good. Pro Wrap Color Fast 525 green. I think that would look good as well. Pro Wrap Nylon 640 with purple. Blue and purple always look good. I think that'll be a good option. What if we did Pro Wrap Nylon, Pro Wrap Color Fast 819 with a gray? That would look good. Even with Pro Wrap Nylon 818, which is gray, that would look good. That'll darken up and become a little translucent just because it's gray. And of course, Pro Wrap Color Fast 807 white, that'll look good. Pro Wrap Color Fast 101 yellow. That looks okay. Out of curiosity, Pro Wrap Nylon 361, pink color. That would look all right. What if we did 301 Color Fast and the bubble gum? Of course, that's going to look good. But let's try something different. 225 Pro Wrap Color Fast. International Orange is what I like to call this one, or orange. And then maybe a darker one, 216 Color Fast, something like that. So I don't know. I think there's a lot of great colors. Of course, I would use a nylon thread as an overwrap. I think that would be your best bet. But and I always like the blue, you know. And even if we took a look at nylon red, Pro Wrap Color Fast nylon red, that would look good. And of course, this will darken a bit on top of it, but I think that would look good as well. So let's go ahead and jump over to doing a dragon scale wrap with this. We'll get this started. All right. All right, so we got this started. We'll just start packing some of these threads down. All right, so now we're going to try to make quick work of this here. And we'll just spin this rod, get that thread going. We'll pack it as we go here. All right, so we'll keep going again just for the sake of time. Oh, come back over here. All right, a little over halfway done, guys. We'll keep going. So let me know what you guys think so far down in the comments block. If you like the video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Let me know. We're cruising right along here. I think my personal opinion here so far, I like this thread, but I'm not so sure that I can see any depth created by the mesh tape, right, or the dragon scale. So I'm not so sure I'm getting any depth from that. And I don't know if it's because it's too dark or if it's because it's got too much silver and it's too bright. I'm not sure. But I can clearly see from here which one I think I like the most between the two. And I'm interested to hear what you guys think here in just a moment. So keep wrapping this here, almost done. All right. All right, guys, here we go. So wrapping that up, we'll go ahead and tie this off now. All right, there we go. Pull that tight. Cut that working end off. All right, there you go. So this is what the Hitena Metallic Versa thread in navy looks like with a dragon scale pattern on it. Be interested to see once we put some finish on there what that would look like. And then here's what it looks like with just the regular decorative wrap or the butt wrap. So dragon scale, decorative wrap, butt wrap. I choose this one. I think I like it right now. I like it better just by itself in the decorative wrap look. But I guess that's maybe because I can kind of see some pattern underneath it from the dragon scale or the mesh tape, if you will. But I'm also not sure that you can really make anything outside of that. And maybe it's just too silvery. But I do like it in just the regular decorative wrap. So let me know what you guys think down in the comments block below. What you guys think, which one you would prefer. Again, the dragon scale with that metallic Versa thread or just a regular decorative wrap. And then let me know what color you'd pair it up with it as well. So I hope you got a lot out of this video. As always, I appreciate the support. Thank you for watching. Make sure you watch this next video here. And until next time, guys, take care. Bye.